Hello my dear students, I'm your English teacher Чолпон Каландарова and welcome to our lesson. Let's start our class with a game. Look at these pictures and can you tell me who are they? That's right, these are the characters from the cartoons like Cinderella, Ben 10, Spider-Man and Masha. Now I will describe to you one of these characters and you should guess who I'm talking about. Are you ready? Let's go! She is a girl, her eyes are green and dresses purple. Great job! That's Masha. He is a hero. His costume is red and blue. Well done! That's Spider-Man. She's blonde and her dress is blue. Great job! That's Cinderella. And the last one, his trousers are green and the shoes are black. Great job! That's Ben 10. Guys, look at these sentences and compare them. This is Jane's dog. This is her dog. This dog is hers. Do you think they have the same or different meanings? If you don't know, it's okay, because today we will learn about the possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Before we learn the topic, let's revise what is a possessive noun. They are nouns that show ownership or possession by adding an apostrophe and letter S after it. For example, this is Timur's bag. We added an apostrophe and letter S to indicate that the bag belongs to Timur. Also, you can see below two Timurs and two bags that they own. If we have a plural form of a noun, we simply add an apostrophe to show that the bag belongs to Timur's, as in the example. These are Timur's bags. Remember, if a noun is plural, we do not use the letter S. Possessive adjectives are so-called modifiers, such as my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their, that we use to show the ownership of a noun. They usually come before a noun, as in the examples below. I found Dastan's umbrella. I found his umbrella. These two sentences have the same meanings, but instead of indicating the name Dastan, we use the possessive adjective his. Like all adjectives in English, we use them before a noun that they refer to. The next example, Jane's dog is very friendly. Her dog is very friendly. We can see that possessive noun Jane's was replaced by the possessive adjective her, and the noun dog stays after the possessive adjective. Now students, let's watch a video about possessive adjectives.
Possessives, adjectives. My mother has many pictures. Your hat is green. His father is tall. Her cake is pretty. Its eyes are black. My, your, his, her, its. Our friends are singing. Your grandfather is a doctor. Their daughter is happy. Our, your, their.
I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and now let's practice what we have learned. Take your copybook and pen. In this exercise, you should fill in the blanks with appropriate possessive adjectives. For example, in the sentence, these are keys. You should fill in the space with his. So it becomes, these are his keys. In case it is difficult for you, you can look at hints in the brackets. I know you can do it. Great job! Now you can check your answers. Make sure that you correct the errors if you have them. These are his keys. This is their car. This is a dog. Its favorite food is bone. This is her pencil. Hello, what's your name? These are my sweets. There is another exercise where you need to put the words in the correct order to make a meaningful sentence. Have you finished? Well done! Compare your answers. First one. My bag is heavy. I saw his best friend. Third one. Our camera is new. The dog eats its breakfast. She went to the dentist with her mother. Anna and Mark are reading their book. Look at the picture and tell me, what can you see? Yes, that's right. This is a girl. Our task is to describe her using possessive adjectives as in the examples below. Her name is Kate. Her eyes are brown. Look at her again and write down on your copybook 2-3 sentences about her. Well done! Possessive pronouns are pronouns such as mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, and theirs. They show that something belongs to someone, but we mustn't use a noun after them. For instance, this is my book. We changed to this book is mine. From the given examples, we can see that after possessive adjective my, we used the noun book, but we didn't use it with possessive pronoun mine. However, both of the sentences demonstrate the ownership of the noun. Another example, the cat is Rita's and Oscar's. We replaced possessive nouns Rita's and Oscar's to possessive pronouns theirs. Okay, it's karaoke time. Let's listen and sing a song with us.
Where is my bag? I can't find it.
Is this your bag?
Yes, it's mine. Yes, it's mine. Thank you.
Where is my cap? I can't find it.
Is this your cap?
No, it isn't. No, it isn't. My cap is blue.
Where is my bag? I can't find it.
Is this your bag?
Yes, it's mine. Yes, it's mine. Thank you.
Where is my cap? I can't find it.
Is this your cap?
No, it isn't. No, it isn't. My cap is blue.
Is this your umbrella? Umbrella, umbrella.
No, it isn't. No, it isn't. My umbrella is yellow, yellow, yellow. Is this your bag? Is this your bag?
Yes, that's mine. Yes, that's mine. Thank you. Is this your cup? Is this your cup?
No, it's not mine. No, it's not mine. My cup is red, red, red.
Here we can see how personal pronouns, possessive adjectives, and possessive pronouns are changed. The personal pronoun I in possessive adjective becomes my, you, your, he, his, she, her, we, our, you, your, they, their. To make from the personal pronoun possessive pronoun, we simply add ending s to the possessive adjectives. For instance, your to yours, her to hers, our to ours, your to yours, their to theirs. Let's look at the examples. I have a house. This is my house. It's mine. You have a house. This is your house. It's yours. He has a house. This is his house. It's his. She has a house. This is her house. It's hers. It has a house. This is its house. It's its. We have a house. This is our house. It's ours. You have a house. This is your house. It's yours. They have a house. This is their house. It's theirs. It's time to practice. The letters PA means possessive adjective and PP is a possessive pronoun. Identify whether the underlined word is a possessive adjective PA or a possessive pronoun PP and underline your answer. For example, in the sentence, we went to their house yesterday. The word there is PA, possessive adjective. Good job! Now you can check your answers. Second, your car is faster than hers. Hers is PP, possessive pronoun. Third one, James has never invited me to his parties. PA. This is my passport. Where's yours? Yours, PP. Whose phone is this? It's mine. Mine, PP. Her wardrobe was full of nice clothes. Her, PA. The next task for you is to transfer the personal pronoun in the brackets to the possessive pronoun as we did earlier. This cup of coffee is, it isn't my ruler, it is, this office is, this hat is, that coat is, these magazines are. Perfect. Compare your answers and correct your mistakes if you have them. This cup of coffee is his. It isn't my ruler, it's hers. This office is theirs. This hat is mine. That coat is yours. These magazines are ours. You would wonder, why do we need to use possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns? And what is the difference between them? Now, let's look at the examples. This is my house, not yours. Here, the word house is used twice and sounds repetitive. To avoid such repetition, we can use the possessive pronoun or adjective. For instance, this is my house, not yours. It sounds much better, isn't it? But what is the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns, if both of them indicate the ownership of something? They simply differ by a noun. In other words, after possessive adjectives we put a noun, but after possessive pronoun we don't. Pay attention to these rules. First of all, do not use an apostrophe with possessive adjectives and pronouns, because it's with an apostrophe means it is or it has. Secondly, remember that you mustn't use articles a, an, or the with possessive adjectives or pronouns. We cannot say it's a my dog. It's correct to say it's my dog. There are a boy and a ball in the picture. Your task is to make up the sentence using possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. For example, this is his ball. His here is possessive adjective. This ball is his. His possessive pronoun. Let's go. This is their dog. This dog is theirs. This is his bicycle. This bicycle is his. These are her sunglasses. These sunglasses are hers. This is her bag. This bag is hers. This is their tree. This tree is theirs. Now guys, let's watch a video and role play. But listen carefully. I'm sure you can do it.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 6. I go to school at 7:30.
Wow, you're an early bird.
Thank you.
Look, it's a new bike.
What a nice bike.
Yes, it's very nice. Whose bike is this?
It's Mike's.
Mike, is this your bike?
Yes, it's mine.
Wow, you have a nice bike.
Thanks.
Let's role play.
It was great to see you, and I hope you enjoyed the lesson too. See you soon. Bye bye.